If you're experiencing a billing hold on Zelle, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to quickly resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your bank account linked to Zelle and verify that your account is in good standing. Ensure there are no outstanding issues that could cause a billing hold. Step 2. Review transaction limits. Look at your transaction limits set by your bank. If you've exceeded these limits, it may trigger a billing hold. Familiarize yourself with the limits to avoid future holds. Step 3. Update your payment information. Ensure that your payment information is current and accurate. If there are any discrepancies, update your details in the Zelle app or through your bank's online platform. Step 4. Contact your bank. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshra.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Wait for resolution. After addressing the issue, give it some time for the hold to be lifted. This can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, depending on your bank's policies. By following these steps, you should be able to remove the billing hold on Zelle quickly. If issues continue, consider seeking further assistance from Zelle support.